So before I show you anything with this absolutely stunning cookware set by Astercook, I thought I would give you a quick demo and cook an egg. So let's get to it. All right, as the butter melts and I'm preparing to make the egg, I wanted to just highlight all the pans in the set. So we've got the 9.5-inch frying pan, the 8-inch frying pan. This one is the 5-quart stock pot. This is the 2.5-quart saucepan or pot. And then the largest one here, I watch my butter. The largest one here, this is 5 quarts. And this one is really my favorite pan because it's so versatile in all the things you can do. Get my heat turned down a little bit here. Otherwise, my egg will cook too fast. So you get all the sets. This lid here is interchangeable with this pan. So I love that. But look at these lids. I mean, these are so nice. And the only assembly you had to do was attach these handles. My butter's getting too hot. And then also attach the lid knobs there. But let's go ahead and get this egg in. My butter is already a little hot. Wanted to give you like a real life scenario and usage and how I use the pans. All right. A little salt. A little pep. You get this utensil set with this 5-piece utensil set, as well as the silicone trivet, and these sit very nicely in there. But go ahead. I like a broken yolk on my egg. All right. I got my butter a little brown, which is why my eggs got a little brown color to it, but cooks up real nice here. You know, you can put pots and pans in the dishwasher. I don't put pots and pans in the dishwasher. I prefer to hand wash them. I think it keeps the quality of your cookware in better shape. And these are like bamboo handles. I would not put any wood product in the dishwasher. So just show you how this cooks up real nice, but I think this set is just so sharp looking. I mean, I love these wood grain handles. You can, hang your pans, or they also do include, let me show you. So if you do decide to stack your pans, they do include these like felt pieces. And I'll show you how that looks with the pans stacked. But my egg is done. Let's get it off. And just a final overview of everything you get in the Astercook 19-piece cookware set. So you get the silicone spoon rest. You do get 5 utensils here, including a tongs. You get 5 of these. These are like a felt pan protector. These are really great when you are stacking your pans for storage. So you get 5 of those. But let's go over this. This is the 2.5-quart saucepan with lid. Love the pour spouts on here. You've got them actually on both sides. Then you have got the 8-inch frying pan. We have got the 9.5-inch frying pan, where the lid also fits on here, as well as your 5-quart stock pot. So that is this pot here. Lids fit on there. And then my favorite pan, the 5-quart saucepan. I use this pan for so many things. It's so versatile. I absolutely love it. So the Astercook set, as you can see, it comes with so many lovely pans, and this stacking ability with the felt covers is just really fantastic. I think you will absolutely love this set.